In this video, I'll guide you through how to add LiteSpeed cache on Hostinger so you can speed up your WordPress website with just a few clicks. We'll move step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to turn on, even if you're not very technical. First, let's quickly talk about what we're doing and why. LiteSpeed Cache is a powerful caching tool that helps your website load faster by storing and serving static versions of your pages. Instead of loading everything from scratch each time someone visits, your site can use this cached version, which usually means better performance and a smoother experience for your visitors. Hostinger has this integration built directly into their control panel called hPanel, which makes the setup much easier than installing everything manually. To get started, log into your Hostinger account and head to your hPanel. This is the main dashboard where you manage your hosting, websites, and all related tools. Once you're in hPanel, take a moment to get familiar with the layout if you haven't used it much before. You'll see several sections and icons, but for this tutorial, we'll be focusing on the websites area. Next, go to the websites section. You should see a list of the domains and sites connected to your Hostinger account. Find the domain where your WordPress site is installed, and then click the Manage button next to that domain. This will open the management area specifically for that website, where you can handle everything from files and databases to security and performance options. On the left sidebar of this website management page, you'll see a menu with different categories. Look for the WordPress section, then click on Overview. This area is designed to give you a central place to manage WordPress-related tools without having to log in separately to your WordPress dashboard right away. It's also where Hostinger groups useful performance features, including LiteSpeed. Once you're on the WordPress Overview page, scroll until you find a section labeled Core or something similar. Inside this section, you should see a toggle for LiteSpeed. This toggle is what controls whether LiteSpeed cache is active for your site. If it's currently off, we're going to turn it on. To enable it, simply click the LiteSpeed toggle so that it switches to the on position. After you do this, Hostinger will activate LiteSpeed cache for your WordPress installation. In many cases, Hostinger will also handle the necessary integration on the server side, so you don't have to worry about manual configuration or extra technical steps. Give it a moment for the change to apply. Once it's on, LiteSpeed cache is now working in the background to help optimize and speed up your website. If you later log into your WordPress dashboard, you may see a LiteSpeed plugin or related options you can tweak further, but for most users, just turning it on in hPanel is enough to get a noticeable performance boost. That's all you need to do. You went into hPanel, opened the website section, managed your domain, navigated to WordPress Overview, and turned on the LiteSpeed toggle in the core section. With just those few steps, you've taken an important step towards making your WordPress site faster and more efficient on Hostinger.